Hello everybody, today we are learning an alternative sound for the letters I-E. This digraph we have learnt so far makes an I sound, but today we're going to find out it makes a different sound in some words. It can make the E sound, as in field. F-E-L-D, field. Here are some pictures with the E sound. Shield, briefcase, believe. Let's have a go at reading this word. Let's do it together. Ch-E-F, chief. Your turn first. Pause the video. Let's try it together. F-E-L-D, field. Your turn first. Pause the video. F-E-F, thief. Pause the video and have a go. P-R-E-S-T, priest. Pause the video and have a go. D-E-S-L, diesel. Pause the video and try reading this word. Sh-R-E-K, shriek. Today, to practice reading some of these new E words, you are going to do a word hunt. Either cut out the words that are in the home pack or ask an adult to write them down and place them around your house. When you do your word hunt, when you find a word, read it using your robot arms. When you finish reading all the words, bring them back to read them again for your adult. Were there any new words you didn't know the meaning of? Use a dictionary to find out more. Find out the meaning of some new words.